Welcome guys to Filmoments tutorials. In this video, I will show you the latest update on how to download the Ditto app. Before we start, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. The Ditto mobile app is now available on Play Store. So search for Ditto, then tap on the Ditto app, the one with red icon. Tap install, wait for the download to complete, then after that, open the app. So with the new update, Ditto fixed the crashes issues and improved customer experience. Also with this update, when you go to buy promo, the welcome promo is gone and what's in there is the 25 gig high-speed data promo, which is only text to all network, only Ditto to Ditto calls, with 300 minutes calls to other networks and valid for 30 days, which is for 199 pesos. So it's the only promo available now for Ditto. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching. Bye for now!